So today we are going to study English grammar. In that, a very important grammar, another important grammar after tense, I'm saying, that is reported speech. Okay, direct, indirect speech. It is the other name of reported speech is direct and indirect speech. Okay. So what is this reported speech? For example, somebody will talk to me. They say something. My friend will say, Seema, go and bring books to me. Now another person, like Lata told me that Seema, go and bring some books for me. Now Geeta will ask me, what did Lata told? Okay. Then what I have to say? I should change the tense as well as the persons to say what Lata told to me. What Lata told to me. To whom I should say now? To the third person, Geeta, when she asked me, of course. Okay. तो क्या होता है इसमें? कोई भी मुझसे आके बोलता है, चलो सीमा जाके वहां ये करके लाओ. तो तीसरा आदमी आके पूछता है, उसने तुम्हें क्या कहा? तो उसने मुझे क्या कहा? ये मुझे इस तीसरे पर्सन को कहना पड़ेगा. Then what we have to change itself is called a reported speech. I have to report the first person sentence to the third person. I am the middleman. Okay. I have to report the first person's sentence to the third person. That is reporting. इसने मुझे कहा, मैंने उसको कहा. Okay, that's it. So we have to make it easy. We have to make it easy. How we have to change it and how we have to report it in a correct way. That is called reported speech and in a perfect grammar. First of all, see the definition, what it is. An indirect conversation among two or more persons given by one among them or any other person is said to be reported speech. चार लोग बैठे हुए हैं, इसमें से किसी ने कुछ कहा, मैंने थर्ड पर्सन को कहा, उसको भी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच बोलते हैं. और किसी ने मुझे कहा, मैं और किसी को कहूं. That is also called as reported speech. Reporting need not be limited to that of conversation or talks, but it can be incidents or situations as well. एक सेंटेंस को रिपोर्ट करना ही रिपोर्टेड स्पीच नहीं कहा जाता. रिपोर्टेड स्पीच किसको कहा जाता है? सिचुएशन. पूरा एंटायर सिचुएशन आपको एक्सप्लेन रिपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू विल गो फॉर अ ट्रिप. So your friend will ask whatever you saw there. So now you have to report everything. That will also be a reported speech. Whatever it is, you have to report it. When reporting, you have to change the tense as well as the persons. So to make it more clear, what we will do? We will divide all the entire sentences in 4 parts. That is, first one is statements. Second one, interrogatives or questions. Third one is imperative and fourth one is exclamatory. इसका मतलब क्या? What does it mean? Statements. For example, उसने कहा, सीमा जाकर मिठाई लेकर आओ. It is a statement, isn't it? तो स्टेटमेंट को रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में कन्वर्ट कैसे किया जाता है? How we have to convert a statement into reported speech. Next one comes interrogative. सीमा तुम कहाँ गए थे? It is a question. Now I have to report this same thing. सीमा तुम कहाँ गए थे? लता ने मुझे कहा. तो गीता आगे मुझे पूछेगी, लता ने तुम्हें क्या कहा? लता ने मुझे कहा कि मैं कहाँ गई थी. That means tense will also change and even person will also change. Exactly. So there are some rules and regulations where you need to change the reported speech of different टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. लाइक स्टेटमेंट्स को अलग तरीके से चेंज किया जाता है. इंटरोगेटिव्स को अलग तरीके से चेंज किया जाता है. इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस, प्लीज, गेट अप, रिक्वेस्ट, या तो उसमें कुछ कमांडिंग रहता है. सब कमांड्स will also be there in the sentences and request will also be there. Such type of sentences are called as imperative sentences. So imperative sentences, when told in direct speech, how we have to convert it into reported speech. Some rules and regulations will be there, and even the same will apply on exclamatory sentences also. Exclamatory sentences are told in direct speech. These explanatory sentence, how you have to convert into reported speech. This all we are going to study in this video. Okay. First of all, the most important thing in reported speech is there are 16 rules where you have to convert the direct speech into indirect speech. One by one, in detail, we are going to solve today. Okay? Come on. First, you are all well enough to understand the tenses now. You already know that present, past and future tense are having, each tense is having 4 tenses. Okay? 4 types of tenses. That is, in present, you are having simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Now, we need to change this into reported speech. First rule to change direct into indirect speech, that is simple present. Simple present becomes simple past. Simple present अगर वो डायरेक्ट स्पीच में है, उसको सिंपल पास्ट में हमें रिपोर्ट करना है. कैसे? He said, I am ready to come with you. He said, I am ready to come with you. By this sentence, you will come to know that this is simple present sentence. Why? By the help of the structure. Subject plus am, simple present, ready to come with you. I am ready to come with you is the simple present sentence. Now, you need to convert into simple past. He said that he was ready to come with me. Now I think you will be confused by seeing that am is there. Am is not used in simple present. Of course, you are right. Here, am will act as a main verb. Okay. I am ready to come. This is not a verb here. Kindly concentrate. This is not a verb here. It is an infinitive. What is this infinitive? I will let you know later in a separate infinitive class. Because ऐसे ही थोड़ा ओवरव्यू दे देती हूँ आपको. Infinitive का मतलब है verb. Now come is a verb, isn't it? Come is a verb. When the verb is used as a noun with the preposition to, along with the preposition to, that part is called as infinitive. When the verb is used as a noun in a subject or noun as an object. Here in this sentence, the verb come is used as a noun as an object. So this part of the word is infinitive. Okay, it is not a verb, it is infinitive. Okay, then you will come to know that this sentence is simple present. I am ready to come with you. He said, you have to add a conjunction that. For this also there is one rule, when to add the conjunction that and when to add some other conjunctions. That doesn't mean that everywhere you need to add that conjunction only. For that another rule is there, I will let you know. Right now, for this rule we are studying. He said that he, you have changed the person. He, am is changed into was because we need to change it into simple past. He said that he was ready to come with me. Me, you is changed into me. Person is changed, person to person. He said I am ready to come with you. उसने कहा मैं तुम्हारे साथ आने के लिए तैयार हूँ. अब मुझे किसी तीसरे पर्सन को बोलना है कि उसने मुझे क्या कहा. तो मैं बोलूंगी उसने कहा कि वो मेरे साथ आने के लिए तैयार है. उसने कहा कि वो मेरे साथ आने के लिए तैयार है. Okay? In this way, this was the first rule how you have to change into reported speech. Second rule. Now, simple present हो गया. Now we'll go for present continuous. In present tense, what are the 4 types of tenses? That is present, simple present, and next comes present continuous. Present continuous अगर वो direct speech में है, sentence अगर present continuous में है, तो उसको past continuous में change करना है. You have to change the present continuous tense into past continuous. For example, he said, my father is writing a novel. My father is writing a novel. If you go back to the structure, you will come to know this sentence, this part of the sentence is present continuous. Now you have to change this present continuous into which tense? Yes, past continuous tense. How? He said that my is changed into his father was writing a novel. He said that his father was writing a novel. Okay. His father was writing a novel. You can see how easily it changed. This is simple present. This is present continuous and this is past continuous. The meaning doesn't change. He said my father is writing a novel. He said that his father was writing a novel. Simple. Okay, next. Third rule to change direct speech into indirect speech. Present perfect becomes past perfect. अगर कोई से third type of a tense in present, simple present, okay, in present tense, okay. Present perfect becomes past perfect. तो past के जो 4 tenses है ना, उसमें change करना है. Present perfect अगर direct speech में है, तो इस sentence को हमें किस tense में convert करना है? Past perfect में convert करना है. Here is an example. He said, I have command over English language. You can see this sentence is present perfect. I have command. This is the third form, V3 form. Okay? Third form of the verb is command. Command, command, command. Verb of command is always command, command, command. Okay? And in the fourth form, that is present participle ing form, it will come commanding. Have is a perfect tense. We will use have in present perfect tense. Okay, I means have. If I was using instead of he, I would have taken the word has. But now I have taken IUV there. You can see that previous video regarding IUV there. We will use have and he, she, it. For that we will use has. Here, he said, I have command over English language. Present perfect. Convert the sentence into past perfect. He said that he had V3 form command over English language. Over English language, same thing. Now I will repeat both the sentences. Present perfect. He said, you leave that he said, I have command over English language. He had command over English language. He had. That means this is past perfect. Okay? This is the third rule to change the direct speech into indirect speech. Next comes for fourth rule, that is present perfect. Abhi present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Simple present हो गया. Simple present किसमें convert हुआ? Simple past में. वही हो जाएगा. Simple present simple past में convert होगा. Present continuous past continuous में convert होगा. Present perfect past perfect में convert होगा. All present perfect continuous past perfect continuous में convert हो जाएगा. बहुत easy है. Okay? Here you can see. She said, I have been waiting for you in the compound. I have been ये structure जो है किस में लेते हैं? Present perfect continuous में लेते हैं. तो change it into past perfect continuous. She said that that is a conjunction. She had been waiting. I have been waiting. She had been waiting. I is converted. The pronouns will be changed. I is converted to she. Person will change according to the situation. She had been waiting for me in the compound. You is changed to me. Okay. Now see both the sentences. She said, I have been waiting for you in the compound. Now I'll say to the third person. She said that she had been waiting for me in the compound. Change. So next we are going to study. Okay. Now fifth rule. What it is? will come for, now we completed simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. How we changed into simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Now we should go for the next tense, that is past tense. Here you can see here simple past. What does this simple past will become? Simple past will convert into past perfect. How it is? He said, I wish I knew her address. You can see this. I wish I knew her address. Wish, knew. Two verbs are there. But where you have to put, where you have to change into past perfect. Means for the first verb. For the first verb, you have to change this first verb into past perfect. Because there are two verbs, then what you have to do? You have to select first one. How? He said that, conjunction that should be added. He said that he had wished. Because for simple past perfect, we are going to use had. Okay? Had wished he knew her address. Now full sentence I will read. He said, I wish I knew her address. इन्हें क्या हो गया? मुझे उसका एड्रेस मालूम होता, पता होता तो बहुत अच्छा था. The same thing. We are going to change simple past to past perfect. Perfect tense में change करना है. वही क्या वही change करना है यहाँ पे. Present tense में कैसा था? सारे present tenses को past tense में change कर दिया. लेकिन past tense में क्या है? Past simple past को past perfect में change करना है. Right? He said that he had wished he knew her address. Past continuous में क्या है? ना, okay. I wish I knew her address. I wish, he said that he had wished he knew her address. Perfect tense. Okay. Next comes past continuous. Past continuous किसमें change करना है? Past perfect continuous में change करना है. Okay. Simple past वही past perfect में change हो गया. Past continuous, past perfect continuous में change हो जाएगा. You can see here in this sentence. She said, I was loving my children relentlessly. मैं अपने बच्चों को बहुत ज्यादा प्यार करती थी. Simple past. मैं अपने बच्चों को बहुत ज्यादा प्यार करती थी. In this way, I was loving my children relentlessly. Same है. Past continuous है, उसको past perfect continuous में change कर दो. कैसे? Had been लगा के. कैसे? यहाँ पे क्या किया तुमने? Had लगा के change कर दिया और यहाँ पे had been लगा के change कर दो. She said that she had been loving her children relentlessly. Same topic will be there. Only the thing is you have to change the tense past continuous to past perfect continuous. Next comes past perfect. अगर एक sentence direct speech में past perfect में है, if it is in a past perfect, then the tense will not change. That tense you have to keep as it is. Only the person will change. The tense should be in the same form. Means past perfect form itself. Like Radha said, I had finished my breakfast. तो ये sentence किस tense form में है? Past perfect tense form में है. I had finished. Past perfect. Now Radha said that you are going to add a conjunction. She. You are going to change the person. She had finished her breakfast. My जाके her हो जाएगा. That's it. You are going to change the person as well as the conjunction that you are going to add. But the sentence will be same. I had finished my breakfast. She had finished her breakfast. Form will be the same. Perfect both in direct as well as reported. Okay. Next comes 8th rule. Past perfect continuous. Here also no change in the reported speech. No change of tense in the reported speech. Of course, conjunction as well as the persons is going to change according to the situation. One example, Rohan said, I had been waiting for you since morning. I had been waiting. This is past perfect continuous. The same thing should be written in reported speech. She said that, Rohan said that, conjunction is added. I are going to change the person as well as you are going to add the conjunction that. But you are not going to change the tense form of past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous, even in reported speech, it will be the same as it is. Okay. Next comes ninth rule, that is future tense. What is this future tense? Here it is very simple for you. In every tense of future tense, like simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous, in that will is going to be changed into would. That's it. Or shall is going to be changed into should. Okay. First example for simple present I am saying. Simple future, sorry. Simple future. My friend said, I will score good marks in 10th standard. उसके फ्रेंड ने कहा कि वो 10th स्टैंडर्ड में बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स लेगी. I will score. Okay. Same thing you have to do. My friend said that I considered this I as male. So I have written he. Or else you can write she also. He would. Will change into would. Score good marks in 10th standard. Score good marks in 10th standard. Same as it is. Will is going to be changed into would. This is simple future. Now another example for future continuous. This example. My sister said, I will be writing exams in September. September में वो एग्जाम्स लिखने वाली है. उसने कहा मैं सितंबर में एग्जाम्स लिखने वाली हूँ. डायरेक्ट स्पीच. अब मुझे ये तीसरे पर्सन को बताना है. उसने कहा कि वो सितंबर में एग्जाम्स लिखने वाली है. That he would be writing exams in September. I will be writing exams in September. He would be writing exams in September. Will is changed into would. Of course, person is changed. And conjunction that is added. Next, we'll continue with future. Okay. Now we will study regarding. We studied future, simple future, future continuous. Here I have given an example for the tense future perfect. Here you can see she said I will have finished my exams in April. In April or by April is also the exact word because it has to be happened. So by is a good word. In is also right. It's not an issue. She said I will have finished my exams by April. April तक मेरा exams हो जाएगा. तो टेंस को यहाँ पे आप चेंज नहीं करेंगे, सिर्फ would चेंज करेंगे. She said that, of course conjunction that you are using, she person change, she would have finished her exams by April. Same. I will have finished my exams by April. She would have finished her exams by April. Only person, conjunction that, and we have added, we have changed will to would in future perfect tense. Okay. Next, we will go for future perfect continuous tense. If it is in a direct speech, how you will write in reported. The same thing. You will change only will is changed into would. Okay. Rohan said, I will have been writing a novel by next month. I will have been writing a novel by next month. अगले महीने में मैं नॉवल लिख रहा हूँगा. किसने कहा? लिख रहा हूँगा यहाँ पे आता है. ओके. रोहन ने कहा. तो हम लिखेंगे रोहन ने कहा. Rohan said that he would have been writing a novel by the following month. Next month यहाँ पे next month क्या हो जाएगा? Next month should be converted into following month. There is a list for that. This is converted into that. Next week is converted into following week. Next month is converted into following month. In this way, that list also I will give you. Okay. But for the future perfect continuous tense, I have given this. Okay. Next, 10th rule. What is the 10th rule? Change the person according to the situation. This according to the situation. Here one example है given. Rohit said, I was eating gulab jamun. मैं गुलाब जामुन खा रहा था. That उसका मतलब क्या है? This is past continuous tense. वो तो है, लेकिन हम यहाँ पे क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? पर्सन चेंज करना पढ़ रहे हैं. ये तो हम पढ़ चुके हैं. ओके, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस को कैसे चेंज करेंगे? पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में चेंज करेंगे. वो तो है यहाँ पे पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में है. यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे पर्सन को. रोहित सेड दैट ही, आई को हमने ही में चेंज किया. चेंज द पर्सन अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन. रोहित सेड दैट ही हैड बीन ईटिंग गुलाब जामुन. I was eating gulab jamun. Simple past continuous is changed into past perfect. That is a different thing. But important rule is we will change the person according to the situation. Next, 11th rule. Change all the sentences into statement sentences. Change all the sentences into, maybe it is a statement, maybe it is an interrogative, question type, direct speech, imperative, emotional type, direct speech, or exclamatory. Okay, a more exciting type of direct speech. Everything should be converted in reported speech as a statement sentence. Okay, सबको statement में, simple statement में convert करना है. तो difference दिखाने के लिए मैंने 2 sentences दिया है कि कैसे तुम्हें हर एक statement, हर एक sentence को statement में reporting speech में convert करना है. Okay. Here it is a simple sentence. They informed me you will get selected this year. They informed me you will get selected this year. ये क्या है? सादा सेंटेंस है, तो स्टेटमेंट को स्टेटमेंट में ही कन्वर्ट करेंगे. They informed me that I would, will की जगह would get selected that year. This will be changed into that. This is changed into that. एक चीज आपको ध्यान में रखना है. Next, अगर डायरेक्ट स्पीच क्वेश्चन टाइप में है, interrogative, it is an interrogative sentence, then what you are going to do? He asked me when will you join the course? तो डायरेक्ट स्पीच में ये सेंटेंस क्या है? It is in interrogative type, question type statement, question type sentence. Even though it is in question type sentence, you have to change in reported speech as a statement sentence. वो question type जैसा नहीं लगना. He asked me when would I join the course? When would I join the course? तो क्या हो गया? Would I, अगर would पहले आ गए, would I join the course अगर पहले आ गया तो क्या होगा? फिर question हो जाएगा. तो you have to change every type of sentences into statement sentence in the reported speech. That is more important thing. You should notice it. Another thing, use that conjunction for statement sentences. Till now we have studied that we were using that just to say you how to change the tenses. I had used that conjunction in every sentences. In further classes I will say you where you need to use that conjunction and where you need not use that conjunction. Here, for every statement sentence, you should use that conjunction. Example, he said, I am a businessman. This is a statement. It is just a statement. I am a businessman. तो ये statement है, सादा है, question type का नहीं है, interrogative नहीं है, या तो imperative नहीं है, exclamatory नहीं है. ये सिर्फ एक statement है. तो इसके लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? Reported speech में हम that conjunction use करेंगे. He said that he was a businessman. There is a simple present changed into simple past. Okay. Next, another sentence where you are not going to use that conjunction because it is not a statement sentence in direct speech. He asked me, how often do you borrow books from library? How often do you borrow books from library? तो ये sentence क्या हुआ? Question type है. तो क्वेश्चन टाइप के सेंटेंसेस जो डायरेक्ट स्पीच में रहते हैं, फॉर दैट you shouldn't use that conjunction. That you should not use. Okay. Here you can see. He asked me how often I borrowed books from library. ये प्रेजेंट टेंस में, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में चेंज हो गया. How often he asked me should not use that. He asked me how often, directly, how often I borrowed books from library. Do you borrow? You can write it. Here also you can change. How often did you borrow books from library? That sentence is also correct. This sentence is also correct. Without using do, directly you can go for perfect tense, past perfect tense. How often I borrowed books from library. So this was the rule number 12. Still 4 rules are remaining, plus some explanations are there which I need to say you with a statement, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory sentences. How, where, what you have to use in between. That I am sure that I will take it in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. But stay tuned. You should understand. You are not going to understand the complete reported speech until you listen my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. We'll meet you soon.